Shalom. Today I will be making a soursop juice. Straight picked off the tree. It ain't been too long. Starting to smell like banana. I'm making a mango, soursop mango juice in the Ninja juicer. First I will peel this and the way you peel this is you peel it like you fillet it, right? It's gonna be juicy, so this is like one of the top 3 fruit, superfood fruit. You can just eat it like this, or you could just freeze it. I usually freeze mine, but since I'm getting it fresh, I will. You can do it. You can peel it just like this too. Just peel off. It smells great. If you're in the Caribbean or Pacific Islands and South America, you have these. Beautiful soursop. Soursop, ravioli, or guanabana. That's what this plant's called. Okay. I'll get back to you when it's finished. Speed up the video, so this is what the soursop look like. It was a bunch more, but I'm using half a cup and a half of pork. I'm doing my process with my mango. You just glide around like this. And you peel it. They have several different types of mango here in Hawaii. All different tastes. They have a mango season. There you go. When you get done peeling it, like this, I'm gonna peel off the edge of this. And you just slice and slice. Don't forget it's a seed in there, so you have to be real careful. Don't cut your hand. You just slice. So much health benefits in this in these mangoes too. A lot of juice. once you get that peeled, it'll be the final process. You got coconut water, sugar cane, you're good to go. I'll show you the finished product in 1 second.